Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shamanka, your host. So today, जैसे कि आप लोग टाइटल देख के समझ ही गए होंगे, today I'm going to do a full festive makeup under 500 rupees. As in जितने भी products मैं आज use करूँगी, सारे products का जो price value है वो under 500 होंगे और till 500 होंगे. And yes, मैंने अभी नहाया है, so मेरा बाल भीगा है. And this is currently at 7 o'clock. So yeah, let's get into the video. And I'm wearing a blue sequence kurti. इसका ऐसा पूरा sequence किया हुआ है and हाथ में पूरा उसका cotton का कपड़ा है. And again यहाँ पे ऐसा है. This is a very beautiful navy bluish. First, I'm going to use this aloe vera gel for my moisturizer. This is a Good Vibes aloe vera gel. आप लोग कोई भी aloe vera gel use कर सकते हो. I personally love this aloe vera gel. And to be honest ना, ये आपका as a now why I like this more under my makeup, क्योंकि ये आपका partially primer का भी काम करता है. It does not blur your does not blur your pores or anything like that, but it gives a sticky feelings which is actually good for your base to stick on your face for a longer run. So next up I'm using Maybelline pore minimizing primer. मैं mostly अपने T-zone पे ही use कर रही हूँ because this is a pore minimizing primer. Make no sense of using this on my full face. This product is just under 500, as in इसका MRP तो 499 है, but when I bought it in a sale and it costed me 440 something around. And make sure जितने भी products मैं use कर रही हूँ उनके links मैं description box में दे दूँगी. So my face is all primed now. Next up I'm going to use my foundation. So for the foundation, definitely I have Maybelline Fit Me. I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. I'm going to shake it very well before I use. And I'm going to take 2 drops almost. Uh-oh. So this is like 2.5 drops. मेक श्योर आप लोग फाउंडेशन यूज़ करने से पहले अपने फेस को, जो भी आपने मॉइस्चराइज़र लगाया या प्राइमर लगाया, उसको आप लोग थोड़ा सेट होने दो. लाइक एटलीस्ट लीव इट फॉर 10 to 15 seconds, देन डू द फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर. Next up I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade 15 light. Yeah, and this is a highlighting shade for me. This is not my exact shade. And why this is a highlighting shade? Because this is a pink undertone. 110 actually इससे ज़्यादा light है, and that is my color. I mean not my color, like my shade. And actually जो मेरे से गलती हो गया, I should have used this first. This is a sugar concealer in the shade 03. This is a yellowish concealer. This will just brighten up my face. ये मैं सिर्फ आँखों के नीचे ही इस्तेमाल करूँगी. I'm not going to use it all over my face. So recently I was seeing in the internet कि you can blend your foundation with these. And I actually have this kind of brushes जो set में आते as a foundation brush. And I used to use this brush for applying mask or something like that. I have actually never used for foundation. So let me know in the comment section below कि I can use this for my foundation or not. So next up I'm going to blend my concealer. I'm just dabbing it into my skin. I'm not dragging it because I just need very little and very pointed. जहाँ पे मैंने concealer apply किया, I need my concealer over there only. I'm really sorry if you can hear some crows sound or कोई भी construction का sound आ रहा है. Please bear with me क्योंकि this is like, as I told you, this is just 7 o'clock at the morning and I can't do anything. So I'm going to powder my face now. For the powder, I'm going to use Maybelline loose powder in the shade light, and I'm going to use the powder only in the area I have concealed, not the full face. If your guys are oily or if you girls skin are in the oilier side, then do not forget to powder your whole face, either loose or compact. My base is almost done and it's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, so today for the face palette as in for blush, contour and highlight palette, I have this palette. This is Swiss Beauty blush and highlighter this is Swiss Beauty Ultra Blush Palette in the shade 02. This is how it looks. It has 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 blush shades, 2 bronzer shades, and 2 highlighter shades. These 4 are completely matte. These 2 are shimmers. ये एक्चुअली अल्ट्रा फेयर में अच्छा लगेगा और ये थोड़ा सा मीडियम टू डार्क स्किन टोन पे अच्छा लगेगा. God knows how I'm going to work with this. And also I have this highlighter palette. This is also from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade 05. This is how it looks. This is a very beautiful face palette or highlighter palette. This is one of my dearest palette I have owned. So yeah, so at first we are going to use a contour. The brush I have, this is a contour brush. I have shown you the Vega one, Yossi ka hai. So for these I'm going to take this shade. I have swatched them before and I have also used them once before. I did not like the highlighters to be honest, because as I told you, ये थोड़ा मेरे skin के लिए ज़्यादा dark है और ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही light है. So let's see how I'm going to work. So I'm going to take the second shade. Okay, this is a bit powdery. Oh, cool. I was not expecting to be this good. Can you see the difference? Next up I'm going to use a very small angled brush. ये actually तो आया था for the eyeshadow, but it never works as an eyeshadow brush. So instead I use it for my nose contour. And believe me, the contour is bomb. Okay, so I'm done with the contour. Next up, I'm going to use a brush for my blush, of course. So I'm going to use this shade over here, and this shade also, like the last shade, this shade also had a bit of sheen, not a shimmer that ये दोनों क्या आपका proper shimmer है, ये shimmer नहीं है, it has a bit shine of it. I'm going to use this one and this one, dusting off the excess. Whoa, gorgeous. Now believe me or not, I have not used this palette like this. I've just swatched them and I've just used this highlighters because I love highlighter and blush. So yeah. Oh, and these are very pigmented. You can easily go wrong with this. I'm switching onto this baby. Oh yes. Okay, So that's it for the base, guys. My base is done, and next up I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil to brow my of course from my brows. So for this I'm going to use this Hilary Rhoda का eyebrow pencil. Sorry इसका कुछ रहा नहीं अब, and I have used this quite often back in the day, and I bought this again, and you won't believe, just to use it once इसका जो टिप है ना वो ऐसे blunt हो गया. Yeah, that is a really downside of this, but the pigmentation of this is bomb again. So I'm going to quickly do my brow off camera, and I'll meet you in a while. So that's it, my eyebrows are done now. Not that's it. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. For the eye look, I have this palette, very known palette. This is Wet n Wild in the shade Soft Playing Safe. What did I say? Okay, it's Stop Playing Safe, and this is how this palette looks. And I also have the Rose in the Air palette, the basic one, and the classic one, to be honest. And I'm going to use this eye palette today because I'm wearing blue, and I really wanted to play with these colors, like especially this blue and this sky blue. I really want to play with this color, so let's see what I can come up with. So I'm not going to face my base today, base as in eye base today. I'm directly going to dig in my eyeshadow. So for the first shade, I'm going to take this one. I'm going to coat my brush really well, and I'm going to dust off the excess, and I'm going to place this on my transition area, and I'm going to take very medium size, not like small or big. Okay, to be honest, ये transition shade उतना तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So I'm going to deepen up my eye look. Not eye look. I'm going to deepen up my transition shade a little bit further, and I'm going to use this shade with the mixture of this shade as well, actually. And I'm going to take this on my outer corner first, so to see how. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I have deposited the color over here. I'm going to blend over on the top. Next up, I'm just trying, I don't know how it will go. I'm going to take this shadow, then in the inner corner I'm going to use this shadow. So let's see how it goes. This kind of brush, this is a angular pointed brush. So I have just deposited the color, and I don't know how I'll blend this because I was not able to pick this color with any of my brush, like flat shader brush, like my blending brush, fluffy brush. I was not able to pick up this color, so I have picked this up from my hand, from my finger. So let's see how it blends. So my eye look is done. I'm going to clean this up very quickly out of camera. So my eyes are done now, and I have to clean the sides up, and usse pehle I'm going to do my rest of the eye makeup, as in jo niche hoga. So for the down, I have this brush. This is Pack 388, and I'm going to take this and this shade first, or last shade ka match. I'm thinking of wearing kajal today. Let's see. So next up I'm going to take this blue, this oceanic blue I have in the palette, and I'm going to start blending. ये कलर बहुत ज़िद्दी है. Believe me, ये palette बहुत ज़्यादा blending है, अच्छा है, creamy है. But the only downside of this shadow is this blue color. This is really very hard to work. Like I'm digging in this color, but it's not picking up in my brush at all. So yeah. Okay, next up I'm going to use this teal color, the shimmer one. Okay, so my eyes are done now. Yes, I have some fallout from the blue again. And for the inner corner highlighter, I'm going to use this creamish yellowish color. And I'm going to take my brush. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm definitely seeing myself using this palette over and over again. Okay, now for the eye, I have this one. This is Maybelline Colossal Super Black Kajal. This costed me 200 and something if I'm not wrong. And I'm going to use this on my waterline. Believe me, I'm wearing Kajal like after ages. It makes this difference. For the mascara, I have Maybelline Hyper Curl, and I'm not going to use any eyeliner or eyelashes. I'm skipping this for today. अगर आप लोग चाहो तो आप लोग definitely use कर सकते हो. I'm just skipping it today because I'm not willing to or wishing to wear that. There is nothing. There is no reason as such. आप लोग आराम से इस look के साथ pair up कर ही सकते हो. I'm going to use 2 coat of mascara and that's it. Next up I have my lipstick. So for the lipstick I have Hilary Oda. I'm going to stick with the matte because I think कि आप लोग भी matte ही पहनोगे if you guys are wearing this for festive look. So I'm going to use this Hilary Hoda lipstick. This is in the shade 02 matte and this is Maybelline My OG Nude. I'm going to pair this up with this one first. I think ये इसके साथ ज़्यादा better लगेगा, but let's see क्योंकि my eye makeup is already quite loud and my dress color as well. So let's see. I really wanted to wear this, but I think ये ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. So let's see. Oh, beautiful. So this is how the lipstick is looking. This is this shade. I know this is looking really good, but ये excessive loud हो जा रहा है, so I'm not going to wear it like this. I'm going to switch it my nude. This is the Blue Heaven 11 Lux. This is a mauvish nude color. This is one of my absolute favorite color from the range. So that's it for the video, guys. I have paired this dress on this makeup look with this earring. This is a flower looking earring. And that's it for the video, guys. This is the eye look. So please let me know in the comment section below आप लोगों को आज का makeup look कैसा लगा. So if you guys like my channel, my videos or in general me, और अगर आप लोगों को मेरा content अच्छा लगा हो, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is definitely means the absolute world to me.